Alright, so you're going to be setting up the route, and you should have your shipment today, and so you should have all the pieces that you need to set up your route. You've got your route signs and arrows, you got your cones, and you got your stakes and additional smaller stakes to add these together. I'm going to show you how to put those together real quick. But basically, your cones are going to be used to block off and direct people where to go. So if there's a way that the route splits, you're just going to take a few of these, block off your path, and you're also going to go ahead and put up an arrow to make sure they know which way. Additionally, when there's a turn, you may have, since you have multiple events, one event might turn one way, another event might turn another way. So you just want to make sure to mark those. All of your each event is color coordinated. And you also have a set of signs for the registration area to direct people that are coming in from parking where they're going to need to register. So to get these together, you basically got two steps. Most of them are going to be just the arrow, because that's going to be all you need on the route. And all you do is stick these stakes in here, try to make sure they stay straight. They're going to go in a lot easier if you do. And then these are just going to go right into the ground. And as you can see, I got this one in a little bit crooked, so it's going to be a little bit harder to get in. So we're going to just go ahead and try to get in as best we can. So that's going to be just your general one. You're just going to take your hand and stick these into the ground where you can fit them, where you need them to show. The other thing is when you have, in a couple spots, you're going to want to mark what event this is. So this color coordination goes with the fun run. Your 5K is a blue, pink, and yellow sign, and just double check that you have all that stuff in when your shipment gets here. But these smaller pieces are going to actually go to just attach this thing directly to the top. So you just put these in the bottom of the smaller sign, spread them out about 6 to 8 inches or so. Doesn't really make a big difference if you get that a little off. Those go into the bottom of there, goes into the top of there. Next thing you know, you can tell people exactly what's going in that direction. Super easy to do. You have these sets for each different event. And then additionally for the 5K, you should have additional mile markers. Check your map to find out where those mile markers go, but those are going to go the same way. You're going to take one of your stakes, put it into the bottom, put that into the ground. These are only for the 5K, so you don't need these for the other events as well. The other events just have those items. If you have any questions, just email us. Just make sure you're aware of having all of these things well ahead of the event and where they're going to go ahead of the event so you're not confused the day of. Email us at service@thesuperrun.com if you have any questions, and enjoy the run.